This one piece of fabrication, it's okay from the bottom because at the 2 meter, it's touching on the ground. Now, while on the second layer, you need to overlap this one at the bottom, correct? You need to overlap at the concrete. So you can fix there.
Yeah.
So the second layer and the third layer should be more than 2 meter.
Yeah.
Let's say 220 maybe. My point is the joint.
Join.
When you transfer the first layer to the second layer, when you fix it on the top of the concrete from the first layer, there has to be joint. Correct? Yeah. Example. This is the first layer, side view, huh? This is another 2 meter of concrete. First layer, second layer, third layer. Your formworks will be 2 meter, okay.
Yeah.
But on the second layer, it has to have an overlap. This one, this area. You remove the first layer. When you fix the second layer, because this overlap, you will take support from the concrete. So meaning, to meet from here, we need to visualize how much should be fabricated in such a way that we can use it on the second layer for the overlap.